Welcome back to The Explainer. Today we're tackling a massive modern headache that I know pretty much all of us share right now. I'm talking about AI subscription fatigue. You know the drill. You want the brilliant writing style of Claude, you need the deep research capabilities of Perplexity, and you love the seamless everyday ease of ChatGPT. But suddenly, you look at your credit card statement and you're paying a small fortune every single month, totally drowning in a sea of open browser tabs. Well, let's dive into this because today we're looking at a platform called AiZolo, and it's aiming to be the ultimate single subscription solution to this exact problem.
Here's a quick look at today's agenda. First up, we'll cover the AI subscription trap. Then we'll explore the all-in-one solution. After that, we'll check out the features for every creator. And finally, we'll wrap up with pricing and our final verdict.
All right, let's jump right into section 1, the AI subscription trap, complexity and cost. So on one side, we have the current reality for a whole lot of users right now, which is paying separately for everything. It's complex, it's really expensive, and honestly, the mental tax of constantly switching tabs between all these different AI tools completely disrupts your workflow. But on the other side, that's the relief of having everything included. It's a simple, affordable approach where you literally operate out of one clean, unified dashboard. No more tab soup. And that brings us to the harsh financial reality. $110. That is the shockingly hefty monthly total that a ton of users are shelling out right now just to maintain premium access to individual AI services. So where exactly is all that money going? Well, let's break it down. If you want ChatGPT, boom, that's $20 a month. Google Gemini Pro, that's another $20. Perplexity Sonar Pro for your deep dive research, $20. Claude for that amazing long-form writing, $20. And Grok? That one is $30 a month. It is incredibly easy to see how these individual $20 and $30 subscriptions just snowball so quickly into a massive monthly expense. But when you compare the two, you've got that towering $110 stack for separate accounts versus AiZolo coming in at just $9.90 a month. According to the source material, that $91 in monthly savings equates to over $1,000 a year. That's $1,000 right back in your pocket without actually sacrificing access to any of those top-tier models.
Moving on to Section 2, the all-in-one solution, a unified workspace.
Check out the dynamic layout of this workspace. You've got GPT, Claude, and Gemini sitting right there, side by side. If you can picture a quick 30 to 60-second screen recording showing a topic being typed into an AI outline generator, and then boom, the resulting structured outline just appears in real time. It's doing all of that simultaneously through the top models without you ever having to switch a single tab. You aren't opening new windows, you aren't losing your train of thought, you just have this amazing unified command center to manage multiple AIs in one streamlined environment.
The source actually highlights what it calls the platform's absolute most powerful feature, and that's the ability to compare all premium AIs at once. You can type in a single prompt and chat with GPT-4, Claude, and Gemini simultaneously. By comparing their responses right next to each other, side by side, you ensure you're getting the absolute fastest, smartest, and most accurate answers possible. It literally saves you hours of manual cross-checking. Let's look at Section 3. Features for every creator, the ultimate toolkit. It's not just text, folks. Just look at these powerful generative features. Out of the suite of over 2,000 tools included here, creators get an AI video generator to transform text prompts straight into HD video. You get an image generator utilizing DALL-E and Midjourney style models for those stunning, photorealistic graphics. Plus, there's a full audio generator for natural voiceovers and music. You can literally produce an entire professional multimedia project from start to finish without ever leaving the platform.
Now, for the power users tuning in, let's walk through how you can really customize this experience. Step 1, you can securely bring your own encrypted API keys for unlimited usage, which is huge. Step 2, you can build this highly organized library of your absolute best inputs using the Smart Prompt Manager. And Step 3, which is a real lifesaver, you can seamlessly import your existing chat histories directly from ChatGPT or Claude, meaning you never lose a beat or any of your past work when you migrate over. Oh, and another massive workflow enhancement here is AI memory. Basically, this is a feature where the AI actively remembers your specific preferences, your past conversations, and your overall context. Why does this matter? Well, it's simple. You finally get to stop repeating your instructions over and over again. You get highly personalized, hyper-relevant answers immediately, just because the platform actually learns how you like to work. It's brilliant.
Which brings us to our final section, pricing and final verdict. Is it worth it?
Before we dive into the specific tiers, I want to share some quick social proof from the source material. We have Alex Johnson, an actual AI developer, who says, "The all-in-one AI subscription from AiZolo has revolutionized my workflow. I get access to all the top AI models for a fraction of the cost. It's a no-brainer." It's always super validating to see real industry professionals endorsing a platform's claims before we start looking at the actual wallet impact.
So let's transparently map out these plans so you can really see the value here. The free tier is honestly perfect for just starting out. It gives you basic chat and that encrypted API support at zero cost. Then we have the Pro tier at $9.90 a month. That gives you all the premium models, the unlimited comparisons, the multimedia generators, and a massive 3 million tokens. And if you go yearly for $99.90, you get all those pro features plus an extra 17% in savings. The source makes a really compelling argument here. Getting 3 million tokens and premium model access for under $10 is an absolutely incredibly competitive value.
And when it comes down to reliability, the source notes that AiZolo is already trusted by over 5,000 active AI enthusiasts, and it maintains a 99.9% uptime. So you're stepping into an active, highly stable environment. This isn't some fly-by-night operation. Which leaves us with this final, somewhat provocative question. As new, wildly powerful AI models seem to launch every single week, is the era of individual subscriptions already over? I really challenge you to look at your own workflow today, add up those monthly AI bills, and just ask yourself if a unified, cost-effective workspace is the better path forward for you. Thank you so much for joining me on this explainer. I really hope you found it as fascinating as I did, and I will see you all in the next one.